it's the end of October, the leaves just starting to change color. Fall has arrived, a bit late in Jersey this year. Cordelia has been randomly shopping at the flea market for 3 or 4 years now. She immensely enjoys the retro stuff because they bring back her childhood memories. Also, interacting with sweet people from there heals her anxiety.
I know it's a bit late for putting up the fall room decor, but I thought later is better than never, right? I already took off all my summer decorations, and let's start it from my bed. This year, I wanted to add a little green to my room because of this vintage painting. Very cottagecore, right? I bought it from a very sweet old lady for $5. She lost her husband 2 years ago, but still manages to put her life together with a very positive attitude. I admire her spirit. I always found random stuff in the flea market. Like Forrest Gump said, life was like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get.
And the autumn wind brings them to the end of a faded summer love. It seemed made for just a boy and girl. I never dreamed, did you, any fall could come in view so early. So darling, if you can, won't you take the time to let me know? I'll meet you anywhere. I miss you so, let's never have to share another